Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this phone has quite a lot of features, but I'm not gonna go through all of them. I'm gonna be explaining the simple features they introduced this year. So let's begin. Let's get it out of the packaging. As you can see, it's a sealed brand new box. Let's see what's inside it.
Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Get money, motherfucker. Get
There you go, that's the phone. You can see the cameras. And yep, it's got a protective paper in top. Yeah, that's a shiny brand new phone. It comes with that USB cable. Yeah, that's a USB cable. So yeah, bear in mind that this phone doesn't come with any charger. You probably have to use your old one, or probably you have to buy one of the new ones. It's completely up to you. That's the let me check what's in there. Yeah, that's the pin for the SIM, which which probably you already have in your house. Let's turn it on. Let's see how it looks. That's the Apple logo. Hello, yeah, started. So as you can see, it's simply the same iPhone software they're using, probably updated. And yeah, you can choose all these languages from this section, whichever you prefer, and your country as well. So my region is United Kingdom. Yeah, you can see these 3 shiny brand new cameras, and they're very good. They record HD Dolby digital videos, which is completely latest in iOS. And the shiny metallic sides, look at that. So let's go into a bit of the detail, and we can see around what's going on at the sides.
Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Get money, motherfucker. Get money.
Yeah, I like that phone. Hey, if you guys like it too, just let me know down in the comments section. Thank you very much, and keep supporting my channel, and probably I'm gonna bring you some more videos about this iPhone. Thank you very much.